So where the hoe go? Did you trade it in? No. Hell no, I spent another 40K to bin. I don't play, but when I play, bitch, I play to win. All this money coming in, it'll make you grin.
What's up, folks? Folding Me Ike back in the studio with the lovely
Kai Simani.
Okay. Kai, what we got going on here?
Got a little simple shoot going on, you know, nothing too much.
Nothing too much?
Not too much.
Girl, you always too much when you pull up, all right? The most, okay? All right? Sweet. So, you guys, lighting setup. We have the Godox, what do you call that? 8400 Pro with a Fresnel. It's a cheap Fresnel from Amazon. I should be putting the link in the description. Anyways, the Fresnel is right there. That's the spotlight. What that's going to do is highlight her in the back, put a kicker. Also, it's going to put like a gradient in the background, so you can see like a nice little line back there. Lights her from the back. Then for the front light, we got the 40-inch Octabox on the Godox 8600, the OG Explorer 600 if you shop at Adorama, or Godox 8600. Either way. So that is gonna light her from the front for some fill, for some key light, or whatever you wanna call it, key light. And then behind is gonna be this light. And then we have a white backdrop. We have this lovely Beyonce. Should have put a ring on. Do the dance. Do the.
Yeah, okay. Oh, wrong hand. Hold on.
You heard what she said. All right, cool. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
You gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jamelis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch running around this bitch, named all the coders. I just told her make a story. I just bought all the Trojans. I told her stop my mix. I told her stop telling everything she seen, and told her meet me at the Ritz. Let's go. I got baguettes in the back of my ring, and I went in trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. I just pulled up in some fools. I told lil' mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozing. 20 watches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you Merkle, I show you my coochie. I had the same to this bitch like Latusi. Bitch got a Baywood on her nightstand. She must be fucking with Gunna. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat rats, and I came with some fucking piranhas. Got a good Scotty, I got in my way. Need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood knife, crack out the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street need. Only one she got hit at the street need. I feel a little rich this week. Influence my family to not be cheap. I told her FN on me. Connie, she needs just a Glock kiki. We rollin' 60, locked in seats. We rollin' that coupe with a bucket seat.
Yeah. What's up, Rich? Pierre? Jared? Okay,
Toot that thing up, mommy, make it roll. Once you pop, lock it for me, girl, get low. If your mama gave it to you, baby girl, let it show. Once you pop, lock, drop it for me, maybe we can roll. Oh!
Pop, lock, and drop it. 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 Pop, lock, and drop it.
Tonight is gonna be some changes, no Agnes or Diddy, so stop acting and get it clapping, cause I'm knowing you feel me, yeah, you can.
It's been so long since you texted me. I finally took a break and now I feel like I'm on ecstasy. You said what my work means to me will one day be the death of me. They tried to kill me once, but darling, you just resurrected me. Teach me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. I'm so green, you gotta teach me, baby. From Vancouver, you a PC, baby. Pull up, Maybach, beep, beep, baby. And my shit came with the heat seats, baby. Swear my label got a free me, baby. No on me, just like some green tea, baby.
Hey Johnny, shut up.
Teach me, baby, baby. Beep, 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 baby, baby. Baby, baby, teach me, baby, baby, hey, bury the lie, someone come dig me up. If I call up your shorty right now, she picking up. You boys got big on my name, that's big enough. We know how you OGs rockin' already, my nigga, the jig is up. They say the truth will set you free, well mine is gon' stream while you watching HD. They say that karma could take an eternity, yours is dropping the same night as me. Funny thing is that they ain't gon' compete, you gon' get yours.
It's so cool seeing the vision come to life.
Word.
Okay, the boots did come together.
You know what I'm saying?
I almost forgot those at home. I had them get out the car and go get them. If you see any that you think are like good quality or really good that I didn't like, just send them to me.
Yeah, well, I do that anyway.
Yeah, I know.
You laugh. So Kai, we like what we see so far?
Yes.
We happy with the shoot? Everything went.
I'm always happy. I'm always happy with your photos.
Hey.
It's like what, 2 years now I've been coming back?
Is it been 2 years?
Yeah, I think so.
Stop lying.
Yeah. So wow.
Did that guy. Straight out of camp.
The raws. Let's see. Okay, period.
I get on my back, babe. I won't let thinking back these set, babe. Send my set, I won't send my set, babe. I'm alright, I ain't gon' call you back, babe. Ain't about that, hold to my back, babe. Earn you back, I ain't turn my back, baby. Say, and I'm going set crazy, exact.